Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Shark cordless vacuum that is not charging. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Shark cordless vacuum, there are going to be a few things that you do here to probably solve this issue. So first thing you can do here is to check the power source. So first, make sure the charging dock is securely plugged into an outlet. Sometimes the outlet itself can be the issue, so try plugging it into a different one to rule that out. Also, take a good look at the power cord and check for any damages or loose connections. If the cord seems damaged, you'll need to replace it. Now, another thing that you might want to check here is to basically your battery. So inspect your battery. If the power source is fine, and the battery might be the problem here. So remove the battery here from the vacuum and look it over. If there are any swelling, leaking, or corrosion around the terminals, and if so, that's a sign that the battery needs to be replaced. Now, before you do that, though, you need to clean the battery contacts as well as ones in the vacuum's battery compartment. In this case, you want to go ahead and use a lint-free cloth to wipe them down. So this helps ensure solid connection. If the vacuum still needs the charge, doesn't charge after this, it's time to get a new one. And something that's compatible with your Shark cordless vacuum. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you might want to clean the charging contacts. So dust or grime on the charging contacts can also prevent your vacuum from charging. So unplug the charging dock and check the terminal contacts and check both on the dock and vacuum itself. Then wipe them clean with a soft, dry cloth. And if there's a stubborn dirt, slightly dampen the cloth with a bit of isopropyl alcohol. Then dry everything completely before trying to charge the vacuum again. So in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.